Look at these intricate rust patterns and faded decals, whispering stories of its past journeys.
Piece. We'll bring back its old glory piece by piece.
Notice every corner, every crack. It tells its story. Let's wash away years of neglect.
Nations to power through business. Rust is stubborn, unbeatable.
Every part will return to life.
See the colors beneath the dirt starting to appear.
Smooth surfaces make the paint shine brighter. The old corrosion fades, layer by layer. We strengthen every weak point carefully. Perfect alignment ensures long-lasting strength.
Every gear must go flawlessly.
Precision here is key to smooth rides. Clean lines and edges will make the paint pop. Layer by layer, the bus awakens. We start fresh, inside and out.
Redefining its classic charm, gently. Every curve now reflects light beautifully.
Shiny accents bring life back to the bus. Step by step, it's becoming whole again. Every detail matters in restoration.
Hear that? It's alive once more.
Fresh and spotless, ready for its journey. The heart of the bus restored perfectly.
Patience makes perfection.
From abandoned to astonishing.
Every inch tells a story of care and patience. Look how the details shine like new.
A masterpiece reborn from time and rust.
From forgotten to unforgettable, restoration complete.